So welcome back to OpenFirepitCooking.com. This is Benjamin, and today we're going to be cooking up some chicken thighs. So I got these chicken thighs. They were already boneless when I got them, and the skin's attached to the bottom side. So what I'm going to be doing today is seasoning them up, stuffing them, folding them, and wrapping them up in bacon. So today I'm going to be using roasted garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper for my seasonings. I'm going to be stuffing them with these leaves that we got over here. They're called shiso. I think the English name is perilla, so I've rinsed those. I'm going to be putting some cream cheese and some shredded cheese also in there. And then we'll be wrapping them up with bacon and slow roasting them on the grill, basting them slowly with sauce. So I'm going to start hooking these up. I love these pepper grinders. My niece works at an organic coffee shop in the new mall, and they sell these, so I have her pick me up some on the way home sometimes when I'm running low. This is pink Himalayan, and then there's mixed peppercorns too that we use. So that's my seasoning. Just gonna take some of these leaves, put them on there. And then this will be inside, so I'm kind of going to fold these in half and like wrap them up kind of like tacos. And then the skin side will be on the outside, and then all this meat will be on the inside with this cheese, keeping it moist. So there's the exact amount I needed in that pack. That's amazing. I'm going to take some cream cheese, put a little dab of cream cheese in each one of these. Taking some shredded up natural cheese and also be putting them inside here. If you can't tell, I really love cheese. Cheese makes things better. The thing I might love more than cheese is bacon, which I'm also going to use in this recipe. So once I got those stuffed with cheese, I'm going to take these chicken thighs here, these boneless chicken thighs, and kind of fold them in half. Once they're folded in half, I'm going to take a really fatty bacon and just wrap them up. That one the dog can get. I'm going to take a couple slices of cheese to wrap all these up. And hopefully these will brown up, tighten up, and crisp up and make these awesome. So there's one. So that skin is on the outside there. So when they get done, they're gonna look kind of like a little mini bacon stuffed goodness tacos. So I'm gonna do the rest of these up, and I'll be back when I got my grill set up. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy. So welcome back to OpenFirepitCooking.com. I finished wrapping up my bacon chicken tacos, I guess. So they're all wrapped up. I sprinkled parsley on them. I got my grill set up for indirect cooking. So all of my coals are on this side of my grill. And I'm going to lay out the chicken over here. So I'm going to do that now. Try to make sure these don't fall apart. Should be pretty good with that bacon all wrapped up. So that's done. I'm going to cover them up and I'm going to let them go for about 20-25 minutes before I check on them and make my sauce. So thank you for stopping by. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to check on my chicken. So that's looking good there. I'm going to build my sauce real quick. And my sauce is usually just some butter. A little bit of beer. And then this meat sauce. This meat sauce is fruit-based sauce that we get over here in Okinawa. It's Ogo no Aji, so this is at the grocery stores. So I'm gonna make this sauce real quick. You see how that bacon is browning up? We're cooking this real slow over indirect heat. So I'm going to baste these up real quick. I'm not going to move them quite yet. And I don't know if you watched my last video, but my mop really was not the best mop, so I've got a better mop here. Hopefully this will be real quick. It's going to put a nice color on there. And I'm not going to move it yet, but since the indirect heat, the coals are on this side, once this side gets pretty done, I'm going to flip all of these around. So I'm going to let this go probably another 20 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Thank you for stopping in. So welcome back. It's been another about 20 minutes. I'm going to take this out and see what it's doing. Oh, those are looking good. So I'm actually going to flip these now, flip them over and juice the back side. This one over here looks lonely, so I think I'm going to throw them over here. And I'm going to mop them real quick, get all that flavor on the other side. And I love colorful food if you see my other videos, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more parsley on this side too. And dress it up a little bit. We're going to cover it back up, and I think the next time I look at this, I'm going to temp it. So we'll be back in a few. About another 20 minutes. Okay, we're back. This grill's starting to smell amazing, so I can't help myself. I need to check on this. So I'm gonna check on this meat real quick. I'm gonna quick temp it. I got a little quick temp right here. So I'm gonna stab this real quick and see where we're sitting. So this is chicken, so I want to make sure it's done. So let me take this off real quick. Look at what we got going on. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? So 165 is a safe temp for chicken, and we're over 170 on this one. But I need to check all of them, make sure they're all good to go. So that one's there. Okay, so that one looks good. Let's see about this one over here. That one needs more time. Okay, that one's good to go. Let's see what over here. What are we doing over here? I think we're good over there. Move this back one. Okay, so it looks like I just need this one right here to hang out. So I am going to juice these real quick, mop them real quick. Put the cover back on, go grab my pan so I can pull these off. I would make some more sauce, but I kind of ran out of beer, so I don't know how that happened, but so that mop's doing a good job there. Let me cover these up real quick. I'm going to go grab my pan and I'll plate these up. So welcome back. I went and washed my pan real quick, and then I'm going to pull most of these off. Let me grab these real quick. This one still ain't near, so I'm going to throw it back over the coals real quick. Cover this up. Let him cook a little bit more. And as you know, I like to dress my meat up. So I went and grabbed some fresh rosemary and some cilantro out of my garden. And I'm going to chop those up and flake them up. You know, I put some parsley on them, but this cilantro has a little bit sharper flavor, so I'm gonna dress up this meat real quick. So I love doing this, makes it look like somebody knows what they're doing. Just gonna throw that on there. That's nothing better than some fresh herbs. Looks like I got another little piece of that. I'm gonna try one of these out and see what it looks like. Let's grab one of these. This one looks beautiful. Oh, even the dog wants some. So let me cut this open. See what that looks like inside. Oh my God. That looks amazing. So that chicken we know is done because we temped it out everything was at least 168 to 170, except for that one piece. So we're good to go. We were smoking it, so there might be a little bit of pink in there, right there. But we know it's safe to eat. So thank you for stopping by. OpenFirePitCooking.com. I don't even have a name for these yet, so I don't know. I was kind of calling them a chicken taco, but there's not really anything taco about it. If you got a suggestion for what we can name these things, let me know in the comments below. And if this is your first time seeing my video, subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. So thank you for stopping by OpenFirePitCooking.com. This is Benjamin.